So I bought this to try to sharpen my chain. I bought a new one just in case, but I figured I might be able to save a little bit of money if I can just sharpen in between on a couple of the blades. So in my case, I elected to remove some of the parts and just use the tool by itself to file and lock it in behind the blade. Make sure it fits in snug, lock it down using a knob, and then make sure that I always loosen it, move it to the next tooth, and then do the next tooth after I tighten it. If you don't loosen it, what tends to happen is the blade tends to want to lift up, and then you can wind up cutting down into the bottom of it. So as long as you loosen it up, put it to the next blade, get your tension, tighten it up, hold the blade maybe with your glove in the hand, go ahead and proceed to sharpen, go back, check it out, make sure it's good, go on to the next one. Seemed to work out all right. I'll do a test cut in a little while.